This is super interesting. I thought these were dragonflies. And so I've been walking through them. And then somebody said bees. There's definitely a swarm of them. I don't think they're bees. I think they're wasps or hornets. It's really interesting because they've been swarming. I wonder if there's an irrigation leak, number one. I don't want to go digging for it, but it's pretty muddy here. And this runoff has been occurring. And then these, let's just call them hornets. I'm not a biologist, so I could be wrong. But they are swarming like crazy. Like, it looks like there's fertilizer runoff. And then also the water runoff. I'm sure they like the water. I hope these kids that I hear are not going to like run through them. I'm okay. I also even wonder if they are picking up on this video. They're like insane, like swarming everywhere. Wow. I mean, I'm sure they like the water, but there's also water in the creek. So I don't know if they actually like the fertilizer or if maybe there's like little insects that I can't see that they're feeding on. It's really crazy. I mean, they're just swarming everywhere. They move so fast, you can't really pick them up. It's kind of funny. Yeah, it's really soggy. Let's see. There they are. Holy cow. Well, I'm glad I didn't get stung. I'm actually not afraid of bees, and I've only been stung a couple times in my life, maybe like twice. I mean, I don't want to get stung, and I'm not allergic. But yeah, I hope these kids don't get stung. Wow. Well, I'm going to be really curious when I watch this if I can even see the hornets in this video. They're really like swarming everywhere.